Hey folks, thanks for joining me today. We are going to look at how to make a cutting board that's had a whole lot of cutting on it look new. You may have a cutting board that you've used for a few years and it has a whole lot of nicks and cuts in it, and it just doesn't look as pretty as when you first received it or when you first made it. So there is a way to make that look good again. So let's go and try to do it with this one. So it's really pretty easy just to take this down to a good surface again. We are just going to sand it. We're going to use a 120 grit sandpaper. We're going to sand the top of it until we don't see any marks anymore. We're going to take just enough off until we can't see those marks, until it looks nice and smooth again. We don't want to take a whole lot off and change the thickness a lot. We just want to take those marks off to make it look good again. Okay folks, so if you've put a lot of oil on your cutting board, your sanding pad may get gummed up really quickly. So then you just need to take it off, put a new pad on, and keep going. All right, folks, so once you have it all sanded off and you're done with reducing any of that thickness so you can get rid of those scratches, you're ready to season it again. I like to use this cutting board oil. I think it does a really good job. I'm just going to put some on there, get a paper towel, and wipe it around. That cutting board oil really makes the colors come out. Makes it really look good. If you do this once a year or so, it'll keep that cutting board really nice for you and make it last a long time. All right, well there you go folks. Make sure you work hard on all your projects because hard work is its own reward. Thanks for watching.